Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome to another super spectacular episode of GB's Great Unboxing Adventures. Cheers, big ears! That's good. Today, we have a blue and yellow box, or gold. Yeah, gold, I guess. With a clear front. It weighs about 280 grams. It's 12 inches by 4 inches by 2 inches. And it looks like this. Genesis. Genesis not allowed. It is solid cold. So let's unbox something solid cold. FGE, Fruit Growers Express. This is a mechanical refrigerated car. Let's see what's in here. There should be paper. 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 More paper. Empty. Plastic. Plastic. Train car. Oh, more plastic. There you go. We'll put her down here and get a closer look at it. How about that? Bitchy? Let's move this shit out of the way. Eh? What do you think of that? Go on. Bitchy? And twitchy. Okay. You have yourself a zippy, a beer. And let me move the camera. There you go, bitches. It looks like that. Kind of see-through grill there where the diesel motor is to operate the refrigeration unit. There you go. All right. So weren't you excited to see that? I sure was. But wait, there might be more. Give me a moment. All right, bitches. There you go. It's on a track. That's how it looks. And there's a surprise. Wait for it. Listen. This refrigerator car is sound equipped. So it's the actual sound of the diesel motor that runs the refrigeration unit. And there you have it. Woo! RTFO, mofos. Drink up, buttercup.